let's talk about CPNs, man. I want to keep your interest. Let's talk about CPNs, right? How to build up a CPN. So CPNs and what they can be used for, right? CPNs and what they can be used for. You can use a CPN just like your social, right? You can use a CPN just like your social. They say a lot of people do this in order to hide their money. I don't know what a lot of people do, but I just know what I was able to read and research. So CPNs can basically be used for anything other than buying a house on a mortgage and like land and stuff like that. But you can get like a car, a lease, Airbnb. You can get a rental, a luxury rental. You can get credit cards and stuff like that. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you can validate the CPN to make sure that nobody's actually using the new CP that you're going for. After that, you want to basically establish the CPN on the credit bureau's sites. TransUnion, Equifax. Damn, my mind going blank. Whatever. After you do the 3 main credit bureaus, this is the key. You feel me? You want to go to SageStream, LexisNexis, CoreLogic, Innovis, and make sure that they have the information, because this is how the 3 main credit bureaus validates and verifies information. So if your CP isn't registered with those companies, it's like it doesn't even exist. Period. It's the same thing when people repair your credit. They're going to opt out of SageStream, LexisNexis, Innovis, CoreLogic, and those companies. They're called secondary reporting agencies. They basically house information for like the 7 to 10 years after the credit bureau, after the creditor has sold your information to a third party. So once you opt into those companies, it's going to provide them the ability to know that your credit profile actually exists. After that, you start adding them self-builder accounts. My Jeweler, New Coast Direct, get like 10 to 12 of those. They're all over the internet. You can just look them up. Get like 10 to 12 of those. Once you get 10 to 12 of those on your account, it's going to take like 30 days for all of that stuff to like, it's going to take like 30 days, maybe 60 for all of that to hit. Once all of that hit, once all of that hit, you going to be able to go get those credit cards. The thing is, bro, it's just getting approved. It's about getting approved for the cards. Understand that. I hope my phone don't die, man. I think I'm less than like 10%, bro. For real. Percent. And I gotta save this live, so I'm about to get off in like a minute. But the thing is just getting approved for the cards, right? Once you get approved for the cards, getting the limits up is the easiest part, bro. It's the easiest part. The hardest part is just having the money to make sure that this operation works. What I would say it takes is at least have, man, if you want to build out a good profile where you're getting like 100,000, 200 grand, 10% of that, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. Like 10%. Like, be ready to invest in something that you're in control of. You feel me? The only thing you're not in control of is when stuff reports on your credit report. It's just a wait. You just have to wait. You just gotta wait. But the day it hit, you better get them fingers tipping and tapping on them laptops, man, because you're approved. You know, you're approved. That's the whole thing. It's just getting approved. It's just, first of all, the first thing is being patient and then getting approved. That's it. That's all, bro. That's it. Like I said, my phone is on 6%. I wish I can keep talking, but I just gave y'all a hell of a lot of game. I hope I can save this live. Like I said, it's gonna be on my YouTube. Shit, just share this shit for your boy, cause I laced this live. Y'all have a good one.